how it goes. An apple a day keeps the doctor away. That phrase actually dates back to the late 1800s, but the core of the statement still rings true. Eating fresh fruits and vegetables is good for you, period. And right now, apple season is in full swing. We've got a few more reasons to make sure they are on your shopping list. We've got Beth Eggleston and Jody Vandermeer. They're registered dietitians with Meijer. Today we're starting with all things apple.
Yes.
Thank you guys so much for being here.
Thank you. It's a pleasure.
Let's talk about apples and why they're so good for us.
Oh my gosh, apples are wonderful. They're full of fiber. One large apple has about 5 grams, which is about 18% of your recommended daily allowance. So really, really healthy and really rich in antioxidants too.
Perfect. And they are a perfect portable food.
They are.
But you have made some really fabulous things here. Let's talk about some of these dishes.
Yes, so we have some apple nachos. This is a choose your own adventure. This one I just drizzled almond butter and caramel, and there's some coconut and mini chocolate chips on there. That's going to be great for kids especially. This is a farro salad with apple. Yeah. So it's savory, but also I cooked the farro in apple cider.
Oh, okay.
So you can do that to kind of get that sweetness, and that farro is delicious.
I love that. And then a little bit of like feta.
Yes, some feta and dried cherries. There's toasted walnuts in there as well. Oh. And a really great recipe, and you can find that either at Michigan Apples or on our Meijer Specialty Pharmacy site.
Wonderful.
We have a great grated apple in this one. This is just an apple cinnamon energy bite.
Okay. And I mean, these are also super great portable. I mean, we do these for breakfast all the time at my house.
I have a 4-year-old and he was devouring those. I was like, oh gosh, we need to save some.
Yeah, right.
And then this is just an apple macarita. So it's apple cider, lime juice, and you can pour it into a pretty glass and then top it with some sparkling water.
Do the honors there,
yes,
dear.
of course.
Let's do that.
Hope it doesn't spill.
And let's talk more about what you guys do as far as being registered dietitians for Meijer, because people can reach out to you and get some nutritional help if they need it.
Yeah, so we started Nutrition by Meijer in January, and so we are licensed in our entire footprint, so we can see customers in every state where there's a Meijer, and it's all one-on-one virtual personalized nutrition counseling. So disease management, or if you need, a meal plan or grocery list, we're happy to help.
I love that. I need a grocery list. I think I'm going to call you guys up. And beyond the apple, we're also talking pineapples today.
We are.
Why do we have the pineapples here?
So we have 2 really fun opportunities that are free to participate with Nutrition by Meijer. So on October 24th, we're hosting a free cooking demo, and it's going to be carve a pineapple jack-o'-lantern.
I love this.
There will also be some fun Halloween spooky treats and drinks that we'll be making as well. This is virtual from the comfort of your own home. And then also November, we are doing a sponsored mini session on immunity, and this is sponsored by Dole Pineapple. Okay. So we'll be talking about foods that may support immune function, help get you through the cold, cough, flu season, and just, get you a well-balanced diet.
And so pineapple falls under that category then?
It does.
Yeah, give us some of the other benefits to eating pineapple, because I love it. I couldn't get enough of it.
So similar to apples, pineapple is going to be full of fiber, which is great for digestion, feeling of fullness. You're going to get some good vitamin C, which is, again, helps with immunity.
Sure.
So there'll be a lot more to come if you join our mini session on immunity or come to our cooking demo.
Okay, perfect. And how do people access that?
So there's a couple different ways. Okay. You could text HEALTH to 75049. Okay. Or you can go to Meijer.com, and the nutrition services is under our pharmacy banner. And then the third way could be just put Nutrition by Meijer in your web browser.
Okay, perfect. How hard is it to carve a pineapple?
It was way easier than a pumpkin.
Okay, maybe I'm going to do pineapples this year. I love that so much, ladies. Anything else that you want our viewers to know about your services and what you do? You say you're busy. You say people are calling you up.
Yeah, we've been very busy. It's been steady. We've had people from all within our 6-state footprint, so we do really encourage those who are kind of on the fence to whether or not they want to join to come and do an exploratory call. It's free, it's 15 minutes, and we can kind of share more about the service to them on a one-on-one basis.
I love that. Completely free. Reach out. These ladies are here to help us all eat better, eat healthier. We will have all of these recipes on our website, but of course, you want to learn more and you want to find these guys, you can go under the pharmacy, right? Okay, on the pharmacy tab at Meijer.com to learn more. We'll be right back.